everyone. Today I will be making a video for Stumpy Longhead. It is the cake building, which I should actually rename it to the Cake Crisis. Do I even know how to spell crisis? I think it's a crisis that I don't even know how to spell crisis. Crisis, there we go. The Cake Crisis. Here it is. Helpful day, says Stumpy. Stumpy? Stumpy says, what, Lee? He says, you need more cake. On shelf 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Blah, 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 blah. 20, 21, and 22, Stumpy. Stumpy? Yes? He said, did you eat all the cake? Stumpy says, I for one blame Duncan. Duncan says, ruff, ruff, ruff. In translation to English, it says, I eat donuts at Dunkin' Donuts, not cake. Lee says, Stumpy. No, can't have a cake store. There's no cakes anywhere. Stumpy says, sure there is. Stumpy looks at a poster of cake and thinks it's a real cake. And then Stumpy says, see, there's a cake right there. Lee says, that's a poster. There is no more cakes in the world. Stumpy? Stumpy says, what does? Cries for 5 years. Stumpy then says, why? That's the end. Thank you for watching, and I will share this with Stumpy Longhead. Thank you for watching, of course. Thank you for your time.